Estate planning is the process of arranging for the management and distribution of your assets, property, and wealth during your lifetime and after your death. It involves creating a comprehensive strategy to ensure that your wishes are followed, your loved ones are taken care of, and your financial goals are met. Estate planning involves various legal, financial, and personal considerations, and typically includes the following elements. Will. A will is a legal document that outlines how your assets will be distributed upon your death. It allows you to specify beneficiaries, designate guardians for minor children, and appoint an executor to carry out your wishes. Trusts. Trusts are legal entities that hold and manage assets for the benefit of designated beneficiaries. Trusts can help avoid probate, provide for specific needs, such as education or health care, and offer control over the distribution of assets. Revocable living trust. This trust allows you to maintain control over your assets during your lifetime and simplifies the transfer of assets after your death. Irrevocable trust. Assets transferred into an irrevocable trust are generally not subject to estate taxes and can provide asset protection. Once established, these trusts are difficult to modify. Beneficiary designations. Certain assets, such as retirement accounts and life insurance policies, allow you to name beneficiaries. These designations override instructions in a will or trust, so they need to be kept up to date. Power of attorney. A power of attorney grants someone else the authority to manage your financial affairs in case you become unable to do so due to illness or incapacitation. Advance healthcare directives. Also known as a living will or healthcare proxy, this document outlines your preferences for medical treatment and designates someone to make medical decisions on your behalf if you're unable to do so. Guardianship designations. If you have minor children, your estate plan should include provisions for their care and custody in the event of your death or incapacitation. Estate tax planning. Depending on the size of your estate and jurisdiction, estate taxes may apply. Estate planning can help minimize these taxes, ensuring that more of your assets pass on to your beneficiaries. Charitable giving. Estate planning can incorporate charitable donations or the creation of charitable trusts to support causes that are important to you. Business succession planning. If you own a business, estate planning can involve strategies to ensure a smooth transition of ownership and management to your chosen successor. Regular review and updates. Life is dynamic, and your financial situation, family circumstances, and goals may change over time. Regularly reviewing and updating your estate plan ensures that it remains aligned with your current needs and wishes. Estate planning is not just for the wealthy. It's important for individuals and families of all income levels to ensure their assets are distributed according to their wishes and to provide for their loved ones. Consulting with attorneys, financial planners, and tax advisors who specialize in estate planning is highly recommended to create a tailored plan that addresses your specific goals and adheres to legal requirements. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.